Trading in cryptocurrency involves buying and selling digital currencies like Bitcoin, Ethereum, and others with the goal of making a profit. However, it's important to note that cryptocurrency trading is highly speculative and can be risky. Here are some steps to consider if you're interested in trading cryptocurrencies. Educate yourself. Before you start trading, it's crucial to understand how cryptocurrencies work, the market dynamics, and various trading strategies. There are numerous online resources, courses, and forums where you can learn about crypto trading. Choose a reliable exchange. Select a reputable cryptocurrency exchange to start trading. Ensure that the exchange is secure, user-friendly, and offers a variety of cryptocurrencies for trading. Some popular exchanges include Coinbase, Binance, Kraken, and Bitfinex. Create an account. Sign up for an account on the chosen exchange. This typically involves providing personal information, verifying your identity, and setting up security measures like two-factor authentication. Deposit funds. Deposit your chosen base currency, such as USD, EUR, etc., into your exchange account. You'll use this base currency to buy other cryptocurrencies. Develop a trading strategy. Determine your trading strategy. Some common strategies include day trading, swing trading, and long-term investing. Each strategy has its own risk profile and requires different levels of time commitment. Technical and fundamental analysis. Learn how to perform technical analysis, using charts and patterns to predict price movements, and fundamental analysis, considering factors like news, adoption, and technology. These analyses can help you make informed trading decisions. Set up a wallet. While exchanges offer wallets, it's recommended to store your cryptocurrencies in a personal wallet for added security. Hardware wallets or software wallets are popular options. Start trading. Execute your trades on the exchange platform. You can place market orders, buy/sell at the current market price, or limit orders buy/sell at a specific price. Remember to consider trading fees associated with each transaction.